tracks.
That's how we doing it. Nisha not playing around.
One is right down there on the left.
Thing in the front, you know, when I'm moving, or anybody in the back just trying to be in the back, because God forbid, or a piece of weight, you know, hits us, it will get you off balance, and you can probably tip over, fall over. So always, that being said, make sure that you have good grounding, good footing. You need agreement. Today, guys, you did hire your crew, which I am your captain. Today, my name is Henry, and Anna is going to be your crew right here. She'll be helping you with service, drinks, anything you need around here, guys. She'll be more than happy to help you with, all right? So, Richard, if you can get 2 people per each page. What's up? Let me get up in here. What's up, man? What's up for the captain?
Anita, get your butt up in here.
What up, what up, what up, what up? Brooklyn is in the building.
I need my camera right.
Hey, little spot right here.
Something.
Washing machine.
Is a washing machine right there? Sure enough. Jesus, nice.
No excuses.
Major pain.
Look at it. You know when the drink start flowing, I'm in this thing like, hey, I can't tell you what's gonna happen when the drink start flowing. You wanna be up in here.
Trooper, that's your phone?
Little niggas. Oh yeah, that's mine. Thank you.
Trying to leave his phone behind.
Nah, this is the VIP section right here.
We moving.
Shit.
Alright, so we're back in this Yeah. Real hot boy shit.
Hey, it's a hot girl in there.
It was fun though. It's a vitamin shot, guys. Tell it.
Oh, snap.
Waiting for everybody to take it with you, right? I'm trying to wait for everybody. Anybody else need water? Just agua?
Right, I look at.
Alright.
You stung yourself?
I gotta look at what a camera.
Right there.
You can do the placebo effect. Just think that it's vodka. Just have a strong feeling it's vodka.
Hey, so make this 26 birthday be a
I need more. It's so bad, I need backup more.
New reputation. Many bitches on my spine. Yeah.
Like I bit a daisy, I'm a love baby, yeah. Keep it 380.
No, you can't touch this. Hey, bitch, I be pricey. Yeah, I be what the bosses be, judging from my vibe.